Well, the parents of the Michigan school shooting suspect are being held in the same jail as their son. So what's next in the legal case? Fox 40 legal analyst Ken Rosenfeld joins us live from his office in Sacramento to talk about this case and some interesting other cases as well. Ken, so in Michigan, the parents and the kid are in the same jail. What do you think is going to happen with this?
I think the next step for the parents is going to be a motion to dismiss the case against them because of the unusual aspects of the case and the prosecution being a very unusual prosecution of the parents. The parents' attorneys will file a dismissal saying that there was no way the parents could foreseeably know that their son was going to be shooting up the school and hurting and killing people, and that you cannot charge them as an accessory or charge them with the way that they're being held right now, because the charges would never be able to handle or stick in court. I don't think it'll win.
Right, that's what I was going to get at.
I think, though, it's going to bring some attention, and at least it's a legal step in the parents moving forward for their case. What they've actually done is made their son sympathetic.
Yeah.
Because it appears that this kid was raised by Bonnie and Clyde, and now that what's happened, the parents have actually made the young man sympathetic who's murdered people.
So let's move on to this other story, because as interesting as that story is, we've heard a lot about it. This other one involving a CEO from Better.com having a Zoom call right before the holidays with 900 employees and firing them all. The legal ramifications here, Ken, are just mind-boggling.
Tremendous. And first of all, you wouldn't think this is real unless you
Right.
actually read it
Right.
and saw it. This wouldn't even be a real law school question. It's so ridiculous. But the lawsuits that are going to be coming this guy's way, and the name of the company is Better.com. They should change it to Better File Bankruptcy, because we're about to get hit with 900 lawsuits. So they're going to get hit with intentional infliction of emotional distress, defamation, slander, lawsuits very quickly.
So let me clarify here the defamation, the slander and defamation, because you can't fire someone. I mean, this is day one stuff in front of someone else like that. It's like having a private meeting and firing all those people. The fact that he did it in front of everyone else, that's where the defamation and slander come in.
Exactly, because he called them thieves. And that's what he said. He said, you're stealing from the company, you're working 2 hours a day. So the language used, the emotion used, the anger, this obviously was never run by his attorneys, because I could imagine somebody running this by me, like, you want to do what? No, you can't. I know you want to. But the amount of lawsuits, Richard, that's about to happen, and his apology afterwards was so weak and so ill-timed that it's far too much damage has been done to even send an apology, and it actually hurts him. Because he's going to be settling hundreds of lawsuits. You cannot call people liars and thieves in front of hundreds of other people and expect that there's not going to be any incrimination.
While firing them. It's just, the story just kind of boggles the mind at how, and you hear a story every once in a while comes along and it catches your attention, like, what? This is one of those stories. Ken, thank you so much for this, and we'll check back next week for all the latest developments on this story and others. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Richard.